There are such a large number of reasons why the greater part of individuals battle with attempting to adjust on a ketogenic eating routine. It can come from past harm to your body before beginning a keto eating routine or worry from regular day-to-day existence. In any case, one thing I do notice is that more often than not, there is no less than one thing amiss with what they are doing. Above all else, keto adjustment ought not be something to fixate on. For some it might take weeks, while for others it might take months. The thing I need you to comprehend is that you can get thinner and feel okay on this type of diet without being completely adjusted. 10. Heavy workouts are deadly. When I initially began keto, nobody disclosed to me that I needed to practice an alternate way. It brought about me losing a huge amount of muscle, and I nearly quit this type of diet. Working out excessively just places you in a catabolic state, raising your cortisol, spiking your insulin, searching for that prompt vitality which is carbs. And because you are not eating carbs, the bulk goes down. With keto, your muscles recuperate a considerable measure speedier than being on a high-carb eating routine, so lift lighter weights and exercise no less than 3-4 times each week. 9. Eating out. Unless you are watching them include the fixings and cook your nourishment, there could be carbs in foods that are served in restaurants that, as well as in case you're with your loved ones, you may wind up in a frail position and offer into something that you will lament the following day. 8. Eating processed foods. Eat sustenances that are fixings, not nourishments with fixings in them. Highly processed foods have hydrogenated vegetable oil, carbs, and a huge amount of fixings you don't even know. 7. Too much protein. What amount of protein do we truly require? For me, 80 to 125 grams. I'm 6'3" to 195 pounds. I eat 90 grams of protein on most days and still pick up muscle. In case you're eating a plenitude of protein, the overabundance may change over into glucose. 6. Lack of potassium, magnesium. We require potassium to save fit bulk, and an absence of magnesium can prompt to feeling dizzy, tired, and have muscle cramps. 5. Carb feeds. Is it worth it? This is a tough one here. Re-nourishing on the ends of the week and after that going low carb mid the week sounds like the best. Be that as it may, do you truly think you can completely keto adjust in 2 or 3 days after eating like a pig? Try not to do it. Adhere to a standard keto eating routine and you will form muscles by training properly and eat moderate amounts of protein. 4. Heavy cardio can kick you out of ketosis. I generally need to repeat, don't do it. If anything, try it. If your cortisol raises, you're simply destroying your muscles. 3. Not exercising at all. In the event that you don't work out, you should surrender attempting to keto adjust and adhere to a standard low-carb eating routine. Exercise is crucial for bone well-being. Working out is useful for your heart well-being and joints. Working out improves digestion and enhances your state of mind. Working out is additionally useful for bringing down anxiety levels, regardless of the possibility that you can just do yoga or other breathing sorts of activity. Do it. 2. Not getting enough sleep. The keto diet kryptonite. Our bodies repair itself when we rest. Getting into a profound REM state is essential for keto adjusting. A ton of ladies that I work with have more estrogen in light of absence of rest. Men have low testosterone as well as are getting to be estrogen overwhelming too. That is man boobs, stomach and enormous hips. Therefore, turn off all the devices and get in bed. 1. Not getting enough fats. The ketogenic diet killer. You need to prepare your body to begin using fats as fuel rather than starches. This is the main guilty party in light of the fact that practically everybody I work with battles to get no less than 150 grams to 200 grams fats day by day. The key is to part your fats up in the dinners you eat for the duration of the day. However, it is vital at the outset phases of a ketogenic eating regimen to get adequate measures of fat.